Hi guys. Guys, if you're asking where's Yips, she's I don't know. She's not recording today. But another. So let's make a video about my new Beanie Boo. She's gonna appear any seconds. She's actually big, so yeah, you can barely see her. She's so big. She's bigger than the camera. And Nuzzle, yeah, that is true. She's pretty big. So yeah. I'm trying to say things clearly for like subtitles. Just in case. Okay. Yes, guys, if you didn't already know, Ty has made big beanie babies. Beanie boos. Beanie boos. Okay, so Heather. Okay, her name's Heather. She's super cute. She's adorable. I was a cat when I was born. Then I magically grew a horn. What the hell? I know that is not the norm. What the heck does norm mean? But now I'm a unicorn. My birthday is April 26th. If I see a 21st of July thing, I am going to go crazy because then it's a double birthday party. Because that is my birthday. Look how cute Heather is. I just came back from Smith's, spelt with a Y, in Navan. Guys, if you don't live in Ireland, you're probably not gonna know what Navan is. It's where the Ireland Smiths are, and there's like Home Base, Home Store More, Pet Mania, where you get your dogs groomed and you can get stuff for your pets, your rabbits. Rabbits are so super cute. I don't really like the ones with red eyes. Ugh, disgusting. I just don't like things that look scary. And I think they look scary. They give me nightmares. Look how cute these are. Like a glittery nose. And guys, I do use GlitchCam for editing my videos, if you're wondering. GlitchCam is such a good app. You can like add glitch effects to pretend that you're hacked. You can remove the watermark. It's so cool. It's like the best. Oh, I also have a creeper pillow. Pillow fight. Remember that scene in my funnies? Guys, no, I'm not changing my mascot again. I will be using it now because the Yips is gone. This is the only best one. It has a horn and stuff. I'm gonna be using this when Yips isn't there. I could just use Nuzzle, because it's pretty hard. She has a stiff head. Oh my god. Oh. My arm hurts. Yeah, maybe we won't use that one. Yeah, Nuzzle, you're right. Let's not do that. because it's probably just a bad idea. You're gonna break your hand and stuff. But guys, let's find out if it's boy or girl. Let me see. It depends on the code. It says girl. So Heather is a girl. You probably already knew that because obvious. Heather is more like girl name than a boy name. So I don't really know if there's any boys called Heather. And guys, I don't care about the advertisements. Cause look, I don't even want to edit the video, really. I might just use GlitchCam to like edit the thing to 200 RIP headphone users. Only kidding. I'm just keeping it as normal. So guys, this will be the stuff. Actually, no. It kind of looks awful because I don't get to move the head. And then with the others, look. The following images might disturb you. Only kidding. Not true. Sorry if this is actually disturbing. I did warn you. This is part of my Beanie Boo collection. I absolutely love Heather. Guys, I just after eating from Apple Green, so nice. I'm gonna cuddle Heather. Sorry I'm making weird faces. I just love Heather so much. It kind of actually looks like my cat's sister. She doesn't live in the house. She moves to my house, but look at that. It kind of reminds me of her because of yellow eye, one blue eye. And it was the same with Nix's sister, so yeah, lucky. Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.